All right, look what I got going on here. This is about 1,200 square feet of flooring that I just ripped out because I had a water leak. Not exactly, didn't know exactly how long I had this water leak, but this water leak was there for a long time. And I had all this damage from here, the bathroom, all the water came all the way through here in this closet, went all the way back here. And the water leak started way back here on the other side of the house. Way back here. Go in, and this is where it was. So I had a little water leak here. No telling how long it was before I figured out that there was a water leak. Because that water that was way back there, it had gotten so bad to it just, when I found out I had the water leak, it was all puddled up right here, up under the flooring. And I heard it when I walked. And it just took these cabinets out. The water was down here and took those cabinets out. So I gotta get all new kitchen. So trying to get the insurance to pay for this stuff, and it's been a struggle. But all new kitchen, and of course, all of this stuff gonna have to redo and take all this stuff, sheetrock off. Whole house have to be redone. All new bathroom, all of that, all the work that I did, it's over. All the way into here. That's a lot of work. The flooring alone, this is a 3/4 inch hardwood flooring. You're talking about $35,000 in just flooring, just in the floors. $40,000 in the floors alone. Gotta paint the entire house over. We're going to anyway. Replace all the tile here. All the entire kitchen is out of here. Backsplash, everything. Granite, everything's got to go. So that's the challenge right now. As you can see, all the wood out there. So I got a big challenge getting this stuff together. Got to change everything. Thought about going to a cheaper floor. But the problem with the cheaper floor is that this thing is up about almost 2 inches above the rest of the house. And all the doors and everything is adjusted for that height. So in order to switch over to a cheaper laminate or luxury vinyl flooring, the rest of the house will have to be adjusted down, which is just going to add to the cost to make it the same as the more expensive flooring. So this is a hot mess. This is what I'm dealing with. And it's going to take a moment. But anyway, even though I got all that going on, got this grass coming in, and I have to get out here and put my plant growth regulator on here quick because it is growing quick. I think we're going to raise the height up a little bit more, another notch on my lawnmower, and come in here and give it another good cut. I think I'm going to raise the height of it up just a little bit, one more notch, bring it up when we're getting into the cooler months. This is August. We're in the middle of August, and next month we'll be in September. The average temperature for next month, the average high temperature is about 84. Right now it's about 97. So we drop considerably next month, and hopefully we do drop. It still can be hot in September around my parts, and that's where the That's why I'm going to get the overseeding stuff. And right here, I'm dealing with issues. You come in and you pull up some of the brown spots, and then come straight up. These little spots like this. So, but anyway, I gotta get out here and do this stuff, man. But as you can see, I got a lot on my plate. That's why a lot of shit ain't done. And to make matters worse, the pool jacked up. I don't know what's going on with this pool pump. It was reading some type of error code. I thought I had a big issue. I was about to videotape it, and when I turned it off to cycle it off, turned on the button, and here it is. It's back. It's black flowing. So shit. I guess I'll go ahead and keep it clean. So I guess I go ahead and put this test strip off in here. And see where I am on my chemical. I haven't swum this thing all season long. Yeah. I just need to. So let's see what we got here. See what we looking like. So I'm a little high on my a little high on my not too bad. That is not too bad right there. I'm not gonna put any chemicals in it. Gonna let it chill right there. So it's cloudy. The pool pump hadn't been running for 48 hours because I thought something was wrong with it. I take it back, 24 hours. But anyway, I guess I can check this off the list. And I hadn't done any home renovation videos, and as you can see, I got a ton of them coming, going with a new kitchen, new floors, baseboards, paint. I'm going to redo upstairs. Got a media room back there that I'm going to do. Just redo everything. Tile in here. I've already got the doors. I'm redoing all the lighting. This is going to be the media room. Then I'm going to transform this into a media room, putting carpet back up off in here. So washroom in here. I'm not going to do anything except for towel in there. Just going to put the towel in there. I already got the iron doors I stated before. So now I just got to get all this junk out of here. Rip all this out. And she should be a new home once I'm done.